Hello everyone, my name is Anju Arora and I am from Euro International Bhiwadi branch. In the today's class, I will teach you about the kinds of sentences. But before explaining the topic, I want to tell you about what is sentence. As you know that there are the 26 alphabets in the English grammar are categorized into two types as you can see in the picture. These letters in different combinations come together to form words. What happens when the words come together? Simple, they form a sentence. Like you can see, there are some words I have written girl, am, I, a. Can you rearrange that? Let's do it together. After rearranging, I found that the sentence I am a girl. Now these words have become a meaningful sense. So, sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself. Now I will explain you about the types of the sentences. For making this activity understandable for you, I took thermocol sheet and some sheets as you can see on which I have wrote some sentences. So let's start the activity. As you can see, there are the four kinds of the sentences: statement, interrogative, imperative and the exclamatory. Statement are also known as the declarative sentences. When you are just declaring something or stating something, it is known as the statement. It usually ends with the full stop. If I talk about the interrogative sentences, it is also known as the questions. Means the sentences which start from the WH family or the auxiliary verb that sentences is known as the interrogative sentences, and you can easily recognize by at the end it would be the sign of the interrogation. The imperative sentences. The imperative sentences are also known as the commands. Command statement that gives order or the command someone, that is known as the imperative sentences. Apart from the command, imperative sentences also include like when you are giving advice to someone, when you are just offering food and drink to someone. Apart from this, when you are making a wish for someone, and when you are just going to warn someone, and at the last when you are just giving someone instruction, that all the parts are just including in the imperative sentences. Now last but not least, that is the exclamatory sentences, also known as the exclamation, and you can easily recognize that sentences will end with the sign of the exclamation. That exclamatory sentences, like if my reaction are like that, wow, alas, it means the used to express the strong emotion like happiness, sadness, surprise. They are called as the exclamatory sentences. Now I am going to pick the chits one by one. So let's take the first chit. The first chit is, where are you going? As you can see that at the end of the sentence there is the sign of the interrogation, and the sentence is starting from where? W. It means the WH family. So I am going to put that chit into the interrogative category. The next chit has the words we are learning grammar. In that sentence, that is stating something. We are learning grammar. So I am going to put that chit into the statement category. Let's see what sentence is this on the next chit. The chit having the sentence that what a marvel the computer is. You can see that at the end of the sentence there is the sign of the exclamation. It means that sentence is the exclamatory sentences. The sentence which will end with the sign of the exclamation comes under the category of the exclamatory sentences. So I am going to put into the exclamatory box. Let's take the next chit that. The next chit has the sentence, did you understand this concept? I hope you are understanding this concept. So you can see that at the end of this sentence is also having the sign of the interrogation. So this sentence is related to interrogative. So I am going to put into the interrogative category. Let's take the next one. The next one is that, what a good idea. It means the expression of something. And you can see that at the end, the sentence is ending with the sign of the exclamation. So without wasting the time, I am going to put into the exclamatory box that. Let's take the next one. The next one, Chit, has the sentence, shut the door. As it is the command, you can see that the sentence is starting from the direct form of the verb, shut the door. I'm going to command someone, give order someone to shut the door. So that sentences comes under the category, yes, right, imperative sentences. So I'm going to put this Chit into the imperative sentences category box. The next one, that, have a nice time. It means you are going to make a wish for someone. And I told you that while telling about the imperative sentences, in the imperative sentences, apart from the commands, we also include when we just wish for someone, it also comes under the imperative sentences. So I'm going to put that steps also into the imperative category. Let's take the next Chit that. The next Chit has the sentence, I like reading books. That sentence is also stating something or declaring something. So I'm going to put into the category of the statement box, right? Let's see what sentence is this on the next Chit. And the last one, Chit, see a doctor. It means you are giving someone advice. And advice also comes under the, yes, right. You have identified rightly. It's the imperative. So I'm going to put into the imperative box that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.